Ever wondered how computers understand human language? Welcome to Natural Language Processing, or NLP for short. This technology is all about bridging the gap between human communication and computer understanding. It's how your favorite voice assistant can play your favorite song on request, or how a search engine knows exactly what you're looking for, even if you don't spell it out. At the core of NLP is the ability for computers to analyze, understand, and generate human language in a valuable way. It's not just about understanding words in isolation, but comprehending the context, the sentiment, the nuances of our language. It's about making sense of the vast amount of text data generated every day, from tweets to scientific papers, and turning it into actionable insights. So how do computers make sense of our language? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world. Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you join us on this journey into the world of natural language processing. If you're enjoying this video so far, and you're curious to learn more about this exciting technology, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your likes, comments, and shares not only help us reach more people like you, but they also encourage us to keep producing content that you love. So do drop us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Now let's continue with our journey into natural language processing. Opening. At the heart of NLP are language models. Imagine a system that can produce sentences as naturally as a human. That's the magic of language models. They are the core of natural language processing, trained on vast amounts of text data to generate sentences that are incredibly human-like. You might have heard of popular models like GPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and BERT, an acronym for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. These models have made significant strides in understanding and generating human language. Without getting too technical, these models learn to predict the next word in a sentence, or how words interact within a text. It's like they are continually playing a game of fill in the blanks, and they've become incredibly good at it. Closing. These models are the backbone of NLP. Now let's explore how they process text. Before a language model can process text, it needs to be broken down into smaller units. This is where tokenization comes into play. Think of tokenization like a language model's way of reading. Just as we read word by word, a model reads token by token. So what exactly is a token? It's a unit of text. It could be as small as a single character, or as large as a word, or even larger. The size of the token depends on the granularity we choose. Imagine a sentence, "The cat sat on the mat." This sentence, when tokenized into words, breaks down into 6 tokens. The cat sat on the mat. Each of these tokens is a meaningful unit that the language model can understand and process. But tokenization isn't just about breaking down sentences into words. It can also involve breaking down words into subwords or characters. This allows the model to handle a wider variety of words and languages. Once the text is tokenized, the next step is to understand the meaning of these tokens. Understanding the meaning of words in a text is crucial for NLP. Now let's dive into a concept that helps us do just that: word embeddings. At their core, word embeddings are vector representations of words. But what does that mean exactly? Imagine a high-dimensional space, a bit like a giant multi-dimensional spider web. Each word is positioned somewhere on this web. The location of a word isn't random though. It's calculated based on the word's relationship to other words. Words with similar meanings or that are often used in similar contexts are closer together. This way we capture the semantic relationships between words. For example, the words king and queen would be closer together than king and apple. Word embeddings are used in a variety of NLP tasks, from word similarity to document classification and machine translation. With word embeddings, computers can grasp the context of words in a text. But what can we do with all these capabilities? From chatbots to language translation, NLP is everywhere. Natural language processing, or NLP, has a broad range of applications that touch our lives every day. Let's dive into some of these applications to understand how they're reshaping our world. First up, chatbots. These friendly digital assistants use NLP to understand our questions and provide helpful responses. Whether you're asking Siri for the weather forecast or interacting with a customer service chatbot, NLP is the technology making that smooth conversation possible. Next, we have virtual assistants. Think of Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant. They use NLP to understand your spoken commands and respond appropriately. The ability to interpret spoken language as accurately as humans is a considerable achievement of NLP. Then there's language translation. Thanks to NLP, we can instantly translate text from one language to another. Whether it's translating a web page into English or helping you communicate with a foreign friend, NLP-powered translation tools like Google Translate have made language barriers a thing of the past. Sentiment analysis is another exciting application of NLP. It's used to determine the sentiment expressed in a piece of text. Businesses use sentiment analysis to understand customer feedback, review products, or monitor brand reputation. By analyzing text data, they can identify whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. Lastly, information extraction is a crucial application of NLP. It involves extracting structured information from unstructured text data. This could be identifying key entities in a text like people, places, or organizations, or extracting key facts and relationships. Information extraction helps turn mountains of text data into actionable insights. So there you have it, some key points to get you started on your journey into natural language processing. Remember, NLP is a rapidly evolving field with endless possibilities. Stay curious, keep learning, and explore the amazing world of AI.